Bringing the war home. New technology changed the way the war was fought, but it also changed the way people at home experienced the war. People still got news from the battlefield through the old technology of soldiers' letters and newspapers. For the first time, people back home also got to see something of what these soldiers were living through. A new technology, photography, made this possible. The Civil War was the first war to be taken home in images. Matthew Brady thought it was important to photograph the war. People still learn from Brady's photographs showing the details of war. He took pictures of soldiers posing, resting, and cooking. Brady and other photographers also took photos of field hospitals, weapons, and dead bodies on the battlefield. Their photos appeared in newspapers and special exhibits. Camera technology was not well developed at the time. Cameras were large and heavy. All the preparation and developing had to be done in the dark, so the photographers used a darkroom wagon. Photographs at that time were taken on specially treated glass plates. The glass plates had to be handled carefully as the wagon bumped through the countryside and across battlefields. Some people claim that as a result of all the letters home and all the photographs, civilians knew more about the Civil War than about any war before. 6. Explain how you think seeing photographs of the war might have changed people's feelings about war. Got it? 7. Sequence. Organize these events in the correct sequence. Emancipation Proclamation. Juneteenth holiday created. First Battle of Bull Run. Clara Barton starts the Red Cross. Battle of Antietam. 8. Write a letter from the point of view of a Confederate soldier describing his experiences to his family. 9. Explain how the development of the camera benefited people during the Civil War.